Doggy board.
What is that?
He says, why is that? Guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. Very first episode because I'm a super noob and all my footage of my Chase Base radiator install got deleted. Kind of sucks, but whatever. So this is what we got going on today. We are flocking a dash. We already went through. I have some pictures. You'll see them right now. And yeah, basically we went through. We sanded out all of the cracks and everything in the dash and made like a V shape inside the dash so that the Bondo had something good to bond to. And then we started making our way through and adding in all the Bondo. So we have so much dang sanding to do. It's disgusting. But it'll turn out super nice. At least I'm hoping. This is the first time ever doing it. Eddie, you've done it before.
Done it once before, and even though it looks like complete garbage right now, it will look good once it's done.
Yeah.
What?
Dallas sucks at filling in cracks.
I was watching him and I was like, what in the hell are you doing?
He looked worse than a retard on bath salts, dude.
I really was like,
Give that kid a box of crayons.
I really was just like, oh, at least he's trying.
I mean, he's giving it a good valiant effort.
Yeah.
Brings me to my next point, kids. Don't do drugs.
Gentlemen, what brings me to my next point. Don't...
Can we turn this way?
We can.
Or
you mean like,
yep.
I can see comments being like, why in the hell is there so much Bondo?
You should have seen all the cracks.
Yeah.
Alright guys, whole lot of sanding. Just a little fun fact. If your buddy has never done Bondo before, don't let him touch your dash. I'm talking to you, Dallas. Dude. Or at least come and help sand. That'd be the nice thing to do. Anyways, so we just put the final layer on there. Well, kind of close to the final layer. Still have a lot of sanding to do. Crap ton. There's a ton of little micro cracks and needed to fill that in. So bad. I mean, would have spent $1,000 on a freaking dash anyways, so a little bit of elbow grease and some good times. But it's coming out pretty good. It's not looking too shabby. So once it's all said and done, I think it'll look good. So right here was one of the major cracks, and it's filling out pretty good. Still a little tacky, but not too shabby for a couple of rookies. Okay, well, we're gonna get back to it, so.
Wait, you see it though? Straight up fabric. So weird, dude.
Let me see your hands, Essay. They're dirty.
Ooh, how are you gonna do with this thing?
What?
We're gonna have to with a skinny brush or something.
I'm not too worried about the sides because
No?
it's all gonna be hidden anyway. So.
Okay.
So much sanding. This is what, day 4? Day 4?
Day 4.
Day 4. Of nothing but sanding.
Just count how many shirts we, kind of go through.
Yeah.
Seriously. How many days it
Pretty good for the most part. Nice and smooth.
Super smooth.
Got the most of the contaminants and everything all wiped off with some alcohol. Everything like that, so yeah. Stay tuned, we're gonna start flocking!
What are we gonna do about your...
Wait, what?
What are we gonna do about that?
Yeah, throw it away.
I don't know.
No, I'm like...
Alright guys, 15 minutes, the worst 15 minutes of my life. I didn't think this was gonna turn out, but dude, I am so excited. This turned out freaking better than I could have imagined. It looks super nice. It's a brand new dash, so let's go ahead and check it out. Oh yeah. nice and black. I put a little bit of tape right there. That's my vent plate, so once it's all done curing and everything, I'll go ahead and pull it off. But guys, look at this. Gust, eat your heart out. Get all the swag points. Look how amazing this looks. Like even in the light and everything. Super crisp, super clean. All those countless hours of sanding and Bondo finally paid off. But dude, brand new dash. It's freaking amazing. What do you think, Natalia?
Love it. Love
Yeah.
it.
I'm just happy it's fucking done.
I'm telling you guys, it was literally like, yeah, at their house. 4 days of straight sanding, and it was a nightmare. But dude, I mean, I'll let it speak for itself. Looks so good.
There's obviously still going to be some that's going to flake off. That's expected. Once it dries up, it's only going to actually keep whatever actually got in contact with the glue. But
Yep. So we'll let it cure for a couple days. It does need to sit. Make sure that everything is tacked up glue wise and it adheres properly. But dude, so excited. Looks so good. All right. Well, that's it. What up, guys? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a blast going through and learning how to flock my dash. Took a lot of time, took a lot of effort, but huge shout out to Eddie and Natalia for letting me use their home. Awesome people, really great. Eddie, thanks for all the hard work, elbow grease. There was so much sanding that we had to do, and it was a lot of fun. Dude, it turned out amazing. Like, I am super excited how well it looks. For my first time, I'm pretty impressed. The Flocky kit, it's like $40, super cheap, easy to do, great results. Just takes a lot of time if you have a very cracked dash like me. Yeah. So next episode, we're gonna go through and pull out all the wiring and everything from the E30, get rid of a lot of the stuff that we don't need, install the new dash, mint, and yeah, we'll go from there. Thanks for tuning in. You know the routine. Share, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.